We've got Anuj now joining in to talk about what he makes of the market. So, Anuj, the event is finally done. The portfolio allocation is done. It's all over, I think, from a political perspective at least. What next for the market?
Yes, indeed, Surabhi, morning. And, the big takeaway is that Modi 3.0 is nothing but Modi 2.0 continued. And I think that, from the market point of view, is most important because there's no change in the big four. And the key takeaway is that perhaps there's no pressure of the allies. And in that sense, we could see continuity in terms of the government. And the market will, I think, today fully price in the election verdict. And from here on, it will be about the union budget and the 100-day agenda, etc. I had an interview with Rhythm Desai yesterday, and the point he made was that the pace of reforms could actually increase instead of slowing down. So that also, I think, would be a positive for the market. The other big positive is something that you also referred to yesterday. The big mutual fund inflow, 34,671 crore. That's $8 billion in a single month, and that's the kind of money which is really propelling the market. In terms of trade setup, normally when you see the FI shorting, not only do they cover the shorts, but by the time the market tops out, they actually become net long. So I think there's still some scope there. Yesterday, about 48,000 net shorts were covered, but we are still at about almost 1.4 lakh short contracts. That will be seen in the next plate. We started with net shorts of 3.55 lakh contracts, and we are now sitting at 1.4 lakh contracts net short. So I think there's still scope for some more short covering from the FIs. In terms of the Nifty levels to watch, I have now converted hourly charts because daily charts are all over the place. 23,100 to 23,248 is the first support, and then 22,840 to 22,915. On the upside, the first resistance, obviously the all-time high of 23,412, and then 23,500 to 23,600, the option zone. The Bank Nifty still has about 1,300-point differential between the current level and all-time high. 49,622 and 49,500 are the near-term supports, and 50,252 and 50,500 the near-term resistance. As always, I leave you with the quote of the day, and this one is actually based on the game of darts. If you hit that target every time, it's either too near or too big.
Aim high, aim far. Keep the standard, keep the bar high, I guess. All right, Anuj, thank you very much for joining in as always.